I have an overhead door, garage door opener model 45B, approximately 25 years old. It failed recently. The symptom is the motor, as you see here, hums but does not turn. This simple tutorial will not help you if your motor smoked and burned or makes no noise whatsoever. Notice the 4 wires exiting from the motor on the right of the picture. There are also 4 wires going into the black cylindrical item on the left of the picture. This black cylinder with 2 posts and 4 connector leads is a start capacitor. A fractional horsepower motor frequently does not have enough oomph to get itself started and depends for an initial burst of electricity on the stored electricity from a start capacitor. If that start capacitor fails and is no longer able to appropriately store AC electricity, then the motor can't start and it hums. If this does not describe your situation, go no further. This tutorial will not help you. Notice the legend on the side of my start capacitor. It is rated at 40 to 48 microfarads, 330 volts AC. I would suspect that any appropriately rated start capacitor will work. It does not have to be an Aerovox. These can probably be sourced locally at an HVAC shop and shouldn't cost more than $10 or $12. Here is your mandatory warning. Capacitors store electricity, and even if they are not connected to wall current, you can still get zapped by one. Be very cautious when dealing with a start capacitor. I pulled all of the wires from my defective start capacitor using needle nose pliers that were properly insulated on the handles. Then I took the start capacitor out, replaced with the new one, reconnected the wires, and I did obviously make very close observation of which wires went where, and when I hooked it back up, it worked like a champ. I hope this is useful, but again, remember, primarily this is going to help you if you have a motor that won't get going but just sits there and hums. It very well may be the start capacitor, and it's an easy, inexpensive fix.